What's up, gems? Welcome back to I and you. So we ordered fidgets. Yes. So we have already unboxed them. Cut them. So we haven't peeked inside. Yes. So you can have a peek first. Let's just pick out something randomly. Okay. What did you get? Oh, this was with in the package. It's a black snake. Yeah. Whoa, it's so soft. It's softer than the one. The ones we already have are like really hard. Yeah, touch it. Ooh, that's soft. Wow. It's so soft. ASMR. So, number second. You pick. Just get something random. But this time we should do two. I'm picking out two. No. Okay. Oh, we got our snappers. Okay, let's open it. Oh my gosh, that's so good. It's kind of hard for me, but it's good. You try it. Try. Oh, it's hard. Why does this has these cuts? If you know why it has cuts, comment down below, because we don't know. Wow. Okay, pick out the next one. Who's speaking? Oh, it's the wacky trap. I was super excited for this one. Me too. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Let's make something. Let's make a snapper. Okay. If you don't know how to make a snapper, wait, let us join this and try to figure out, because this is so hard. Let us figure it out. We will join it and then meet you guys. So guys, we got it joined. If you don't if you struggled as us, you just have to push really hard. It won't break. Yeah, you will think it will break even when you're joining them, because so we tried unjoining it, so it was hard. Let's make a snappers. Can I make it, please? Yeah. Okay. So we have 24 pieces in this. Gosh. Is it hard? No, it's not hard. Why are you making it so hard? I don't know. I'm just making those sounds. Okay, time to test it. Wow, it's great. Try it. Sorry. Hard. Like, oh my gosh. She ruined the shape. Okay, so I think what is left are the dimples. So let's hold the camera. It's my turn to open the box. Hey, I ordered an orange one. Oh yeah, but I ordered a pink one. Oh, sorry. Sorry if the camera is too wonky. I'm not a good cameraman. Camera go. I'm the cameraman here. Camera go. Excuse me. Oh my god, this is so good. Let me take it out for you. Let's join this. Oh my gosh, I thought it would be like just the pop it, but it's like so thick. Yeah, I thought it was going to be like so thin and cheap quality. Because for this price, these dimples are really cheap. And even this thing, I don't know what this is called, but it's really good quality. It's metallic, doesn't really match mine. But I love this. I'm doing with
One hand. Teamwork, please.
Okay, let me put it on for you.
Teamwork, I said, okay?
Okay.
Sorry, I'm looking through the
Camera. So, these are dimples. So guys, we got everything cleaned up, and this is all the fidgets we got.
Yes, and
we're really satisfied. 5 out of 5. I was gonna say a 5 out of 10. A 5 out of 5. So yeah, we're gonna be making videos with these. So
suggest any videos you want us to make and comment down below.
Bye.
Bye.